Welcome to the BayPay Forum Daily News Podcast. I'm Lisa with your quick roundup of the latest in payments and fintech. Today's show is sponsored by payacademy.com, over 230 payments courses available anytime, anywhere. Now let's get straight to the news.
Nium launches global collections to optimize banks' cross-border payments. Nium has launched the Global Collection for Banks, a new feature designed to allow banks to offer local currency receivables to their customers in multiple countries. Payabl joins the European Payments Initiative. Payabl. EBA launches 2025 EU-wide transparency exercise. The EBA has initiated its 2025 EU-wide transparency exercise, a regular initiative designed to provide consistent information on the health of major banks across the EU. FinScan's AML software solutions integrate with LSEG World-Check On Demand. AML compliance solutions provider FinScan has announced that its AML software services will integrate with LSEG World-Check On Demand. Bank of America adds capital markets insights to Cashpro app. Bank of America has added a new feature to its Cashpro platform, giving corporate users access to capital markets information directly through the mobile app. Finastra launches Trade Innovation Nexus at Sibos 2025. Finastra has launched its Trade Innovation Nexus integration layer, showcasing it at Sibos 2025. Yup raises $32 million in C1 funding round. Southeast Asia's digital bank Yup has announced that it has secured $32 million in its latest equity funding through its C1 round. SAMA allows visitors to open bank accounts with a visitor ID. The Saudi Central Bank, SAMA, has approved the use of the visitor ID for opening bank accounts at banks in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, in accordance with banks' account opening rules. SumUp prepares EU and UK banking license applications. SumUp has confirmed plans to seek banking licenses in the EU and the UK, marking its latest step in expanding from payments into wider financial services. Wallet adds tokenized US stocks in Telegram. Wallet in Telegram has partnered with Kraken and Bakkt to integrate tokenized US stocks and ETFs into its app. Jack Henry acquires Victor Technologies. Jack Henry has acquired Victor Technologies, a cloud-native API-driven provider of embedded payment solutions from MVB Financial Corp. Robinhood CEO calls tokenization unstoppable freight train. It is inevitable that the entire financial market will be tokenized, according to Vlad Tenev, co-founder and CEO of online trading platform Robinhood. Sibos 2025. Banks urged to be modern, not modernized. In Frankfurt, Finastra's own managing director Gary Wright led a conversation on how modernization and innovation is reshaping the industry. ECB turns to AI startup for fraud detection for digital euro. The European Central Bank, ECB, has selected Portugal-based startup Feedzai to provide fraud detection and prevention for its digital euro. Mastercard taps transaction data for advertising platform. Mastercard has unveiled a digital media network that uses permissioned transaction data to deliver personalized advertising. Viamericas raises $113.6 million for remittance network. U.S.-based remittance and international money transfer firm Viamericas has raised $113.6 million in a funding round led by Old National Bank. BBVA lets customers use Apple AI to create their own card designs. BBVA and Visa are letting customers use their iPhones' AI-powered image playground feature to personalize their payment cards. PropTech firm Baselane raises $34 million in funding. Baselane, a fintech platform designed for real estate investors, is set to expand its operations after securing $34 million in funding. ECB concludes framework agreement for offline digital euro. The European Central Bank, ECB, has announced the conclusion of the framework agreements for the 5 digital euro negotiated procurement procedures.
Thanks so much for hanging out with us today. If you want to dive deeper into any of the stories we talked about, just head over to the news section at baypayforum.com. We're here every day to keep you in the loop on what's happening in payments and fintech. I'm Lisa. Thanks again for watching, and I can't wait to catch up with you tomorrow for more updates. Stay curious. Stay ahead.